Today I'll be discussing Clover Unions. Clover Unions, or otherwise known as tri-clamp unions, are a sanitary union typically used in food and beverage applications where hygienic lines are needed. Clover Unions are popular due to the ease of use and the ability to quickly connect or disconnect a process line. The Clover Union consists of 4 parts: the ferrules, the seal and the clamp. The 2 ferrules have a groove face to seat the seal in between, which are then held together by a clamp. The seal fills the crevice between the ferrules, creating a hygienic joint, so product or bacteria can't build up and create any issues. The metal company supplies butt-welded tri-clover ferrules and tri-clover expansion ferrules. Butt-weld ferrules are typically purge-welded for a hygienic application, whereas tri-clover expansion ferrules slip over the tube and require just one weld to create a hygienic joint. The metal company also has a variety of adapters and fittings, pre-welded with tri-clovers available to make your install easier. We also have valves and sight glasses available with tri-clover ends. There are 2 types of clamps to complete the union: our standard tri-clover clamp and our heavy duty clamp. The standard clamp is held together by a single pin with a twist to tighten handle. The heavy duty tri-clover clamp allows a bolt secured on both sides of the clamp to reduce the ease of releasing the ferrules. Tri-clover ferrules are available in short, medium or long ferrules. This relates to the length of the butt weld piece, meaning you can use a short for tight spaces and a long where you would like a bit more room for welding. If you have any questions on Clover Unions or anything else, then please get in touch with the crew at the metal company, because we make buying stainless steel easy.